At GrowTech, we believe the future of agriculture is rooted in sustainability and innovation. We harness the power of drones, satellites, and artificial intelligence to make farming smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. GrowTech is a leading company in smart agri-tech, using GEO, AI, GIS, and remote sensing to protect ecosystems and enhance food security. Aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we provide precision tools for monitoring crop health, water management, and early pest detection. Our in-house developed algorithms offer over 90% accuracy in detecting pests like the red palm weevil, reducing crop losses by up to 90% and saving up to 40% in water and fertilizer use. With GrowTech, farms become smarter, more productive, and more sustainable. GrowTech is driving the future of smart farming with innovative technology, empowering farmers to ensure a sustainable and secure future for agriculture. Join us in transforming farming for the better